if you're going to fit out your canopy, make sure you watch this. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm putting my old headboard back on, which is that marine carpet, and then I'm going to put a little infill piece here to cover this gap in canvas, along with a light switch on an angle there, also in canvas. So that looks really good. And then once all that's in, I'm going to put provisions for 240 volt, so just basically a power point, and also a 12 volt socket as well next to it if I ever want to run 12 volt items on this side of the canopy. Okay, now if you haven't seen the first video of this series, I take my old crappy King's drawers and renovate them to be better than new. If you want to watch that video, click the tab in the top right corner. But for now, let's get back to the rebuild. Think about that. No way. Oh no. Alright, so as you can see here, I've got the headboard in. Kind of got this void of about 50 to 60 mil down there with not much that I can do. But let me know if you've got any ideas as to what you think I could potentially use this space for. So these drawers obviously interfere with some of this space now, and the plan is to build a nice wall or facade that covers up that side of the canopy to this side of the canopy. So we need to take this out so that we can also put this infill piece in. Let's cut some wires and see if we can get it done. I never thought I would be reciprosawing my 12 volt panel, but here we go. How am I supposed to organise this and remember how it all goes together? Now, I was chatting to Jezza about this a while ago, about what sort of cable do I use, because he's an electrician, for 240 power in my canopy, and he said don't use normal house wire because the car's going to have a lot of vibrations. The house cabling is not cut out for that sort of stuff, whereas something flexible like this extension lead is perfect for what we're doing. So I'm just going to cut this extension lead up and use this as my 240 volt power cabling throughout my canopy. Extension lead cable coming through here, which is obviously going to wire into my power point behind here. Now I'll just get some 12 volt as well, some 12 volt positive and negative, and do the exact same thing. Then we'll wire it up to the panel, put the panel back in, and then we can put our little filler piece on top and also our light switch on the side there as well. So on the power lead here we've got a green, a brown and a blue, and the green obviously matches up with the green earth on the power point. The red active matches up with the brown on the power lead, and the black neutral matches up with the blue on the power lead, and then we can mount it to the headboard. always make sure to do the pull test. But one thing I thought I'd point out is you can use this artificial grass adhesive. You can also use carpet glue, tile glue, rather than that spray-on glue, which is really expensive and doesn't really work very well. So this is just a great little hack for your canvas. So I'll apply that on, give it a few minutes for it to go tacky, put my canvas on, keep it all tight, and then we can install this piece. That right there, friends, is how you wrap something in canvas. Lots of super glue, but most importantly, skill. As I was saying before, guys, I really would love any ideas if you've got a way of using that space down there, about 60 mil or so, 900 long. Any ideas, guys? Any ideas? I'm just on this top piece, I'm just going to have 3 screws going into these brackets, so it will be relatively easy to get out, but ideally something that is permanent in there, but I can get it in there afterwards. Let me know in the comments down below. Now that all this is done, I want to build a wall through the middle here to divide the driver's side from the passenger side. So we've got some tricky cuts around all these beams going across the canopy roof. And I also want to make sure I cut out space where all these cables come through from the driver's side so that I don't need to go fishing around for them later. We're then going to carpet both sides so that it looks all nice and neat. Let's get stuck into that now. The reason I'm going with this board is because it's lighter. The other thing was 15mm ply. This is 9mm MDF, so it's a lot lighter. I'm going to have to work out what to do because this is not going to fit. Alright, so I just started gluing down my carpet. As you can see there, I've got it started, adhesive, and now that I've started it, it's pretty easy. But I'm just spreading it out, getting it right on the corners, on the edges everywhere, and just don't be too shy. It's going to soak into the MDF a little bit, so you can go thicker or go over it again. Got a bit of time. Picked up some Dulux metal shield paint. We'll paint the other side of this MDF, and then we're going to work out how to mount it into La Canopy. Alright, let's get this board in. Alrighty folks, that's the end of this video. This driver's side is now officially done and dusted. We put provisions in for 240 volt along with a 12 volt socket, put a light switch on a nice panel for this side of the canopy, and done our headboard and our middle board. So I know there's not lots of interesting stuff in this video, however next video we are redoing the 12 volt on the other side of the car. It's going to be awesome and way better, so make sure you subscribe for that. I've also decided I'm going to add an extra build video to this series, the water pump and the running water feature. So this is not a 5-part series anymore, it is a 6-part series. So also another reason for you guys to stick around. Thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video.